Welcome back. Today we are following up on the last week's topic of weight control during menopause. To tackle the number one question I get from our community: how do we actually lose belly fat during menopause? I am Dr. Agnes Deleawe, founder of Our Second Bloom. Over the next few minutes, we will clarify the science behind your body's changes and lay out a clear, sustainable roadmap that works. Before we jump in, a quick housekeeping note. Today's session is purely educational and not personalized medical advice. Everyone's health history is unique, so please consult your own doctor before changing your diet or workout routine, especially if you are managing an underlying condition. Let's start with why this happens. Because understanding the science changes everything about your approach. 4 distinct physiological shifts occur at once. Number 1, estrogen drops, signaling the body to shift fat storage directly to the abdomen. Number 2, metabolism slows down, burning roughly 250 to 300 fewer calories per day. Number 3, muscle mass naturally declines, further reducing your baseline burn. Number 4, insulin resistance increases, making cells store fat much more easily. This is purely biology, not a lack of willpower. To really understand what is happening, let's look at the numbers. First, resting metabolism drops by roughly 250 to 300 calories a day, which is why 60 to 70% of women experience weight gain during this transition. To fight back, aim for 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight to protect lean muscle. And here is the best news: you don't need a drastic overhaul. Losing just 5 to 10% of body weight meaningfully improves your cardiometabolic health. Small targeted changes really do move the needle. Nutrition is our primary foundation, but forget about extreme diet. We are aiming for a modest calorie deficit, making sure you never drop your basal metabolic rate. To make this work, prioritize protein at every single meal to preserve your muscle. Build up to 30 to 50 grams of fiber a day. Make a Mediterranean diet a style pattern your default baseline. From there, cut back on ultra-processed food and added sugar. Keep your routine structured and prioritize hydration. Remember, this isn't about restriction, it is about recalibration. When it comes to menopause, exercise is not negotiable, and resistance training takes center stage. Aim for at least 2 resistance strength sessions a week. Why? Because muscle tissue burns significant more calorie at rest than fat, directly countering the metabolic slowdown we discussed earlier. Complement your strength work with 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week. And here is the simple power move. Take a quick 10 minutes walk after your meals. It is one of the most effective ways to blunt glucose spike and keep your blood sugar balanced throughout the day. Two foundational pillars people often overlook are sleep and stress management. When you are short on sleep or under chronic stress, your cortisol spikes, and cortisol directly worsens insulin resistance, while signaling your body to hold on to abdominal fat. That is why prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep or carving out time for daily stress management aren't just nice to have. They are essential core components of your metabolic strategy. Now, let's translate this into a concrete daily action plan. On the nutrition side, focus on 4 key habits. Prioritize protein at every meal. Make half your plate vegetables. Make modest portion reductions. And limit sugar and alcohol. On the movement and rest side, strength train twice a week. Add short post-meal walks. Protect your sleep window and dedicate 5 to 10 minutes a day to stress reduction. My biggest advice: pick just 1 or 2 of these habits to start. Build consistency first. Don't try to tackle all 8 at once. Now, let's bust the biggest myth about menopause and weight gain. It isn't a lack of willpower. Crash diet don't work, and cardio alone won't fix it. Most importantly, midsection weight gain is not inevitable. This is simply a biological shift and one you can actively manage. Focus on sustainable nutrition, prioritize strength training, and align with how your body works today to take back full control. Remember, weight shifts during menopause are physiology at work, never a lack of effort. Prioritize protein and fiber. Stay consistent with strength and cardio. Protect your sleep and give yourself grace. Real transformation takes months, not days. For more resources and peer support, go to hersecondbloom.org or join our active WhatsApp and menopause support communities. If this was helpful, share with someone in your circle. Subscribe for weekly insights, and remember, it is your time to bloom again.